How to take a screenshot on your Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily take a screenshot on your Windows 10. So first thing, as you all of know that you have print screen button on your keyboard. So just tap on this print screen button on your keyboard and it will automatically take a screenshot on your device. So now to print or open that screenshot which you just took, you just simply have to open tools such as Paint and just hit the Control V button over here. And as you can see, my screenshot at the time, as you can see, the time is also matching. So my screenshot at the particular time will be successfully attached over here. So to attach it, to adjust it, just click on this crop button over here and just click on this file and click on save as and choose your directory where you want to save it. So let me just save it on my desktop and give it any name just like this and hit the save button and select any version you want, like for in this case I am saving it as an png file, as you can see. So that's method number one. So another way you can take a screenshot directly on Windows 10 is just hit the button I'm showing you over here. Just hit the Windows plus print screen button. So what it does is it basically take a snapshot and automatically saves it on your device pictures and screenshots folder. So as you can see over here, it has taken the screenshots directly and saved it to my device directly as well. So you don't have to use any tool to save it, or in this case. So another way what you can do is, this one is for a quick tutorial or a quick snapshot. So you can just click on Windows Shift S at the same time and it will appear a snapshot. You can directly take a screenshot just like this of your particular folder or files or a specific place on your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.